Right, champ, so it is Sunday the 21st of September, and it is, come on Apple Watch, okay, 7:59 a.m. and exactly a week ago we had a little chat and we were in Bad Gastein, and today, this morning, we are in Bad Leogang. This is a beautiful little ski resort. I'm just outside of one of the ski stations, so this is a gondola that I took up yesterday. It took me all the way up to the top of the mountain. Had unbelievable views of like this place, just absolutely insane. And so like, yeah, it's been incredible, just like how beautiful it's been. So this weekend it's been blue skies. We've been here, kind of stopped off in Munich last week for our second round of treatment for my girlfriend, and yeah, had a beautiful couple of days. And then tomorrow we're heading back to Munich, driving back to Munich for the third round of treatment. Really funny because we're staying in this hotel, and this lovely couple who are sitting next to us in the restaurant for lunch, for breakfast and dinner, Kristen and Scott, a couple of legends from Aspen, Colorado. They're here just traveling in Europe, as Kristen's kids have now all flown the nest, and so she's what she's doing, she's calling it free birding, not like empty nesting or whatever. So they're heading to Munich tomorrow as well, because it's Oktoberfest starting this week. And it's for any of you guys that don't know, Oktoberfest is a massive beer drinking festival that originated in Munich and is now celebrated all over Austria and Germany. And this really cool couple, they bought a table, and this is how it works. You buy a table in a beer hall, and they didn't have anyone on the table, so they've got a table for 10 people and they don't have anyone apart from themselves. So they invited me. Unfortunately, my girlfriend can't come because she's got treatment on Monday and Tuesday, and she is definitely not in a position to drink alcohol, although me and her have drunk a lot of beer together in our time. And then so tomorrow is going to be, tomorrow we're driving back to Munich, and then I've got to buy myself one of those traditional lederhosen outfits, and then I'm going to go meet Kristen and Scott and get on the beers on a Monday afternoon. And you know, I don't take calls on Mondays, so they're usually my YouTube days, but I'm filming YouTube today, so tomorrow, free day, which means just going to be driving back. It was such a stunning drive here from Munich, so I'm going to really enjoy the drive back. I'm going to put it in Sport Plus mode again. If any of you guys have seen the video, that I probably will post. I don't know when I'll post it, but I posted another video of me in the car. And it's weird, I'm just next to this like steaming pile of wood chips, and I don't know why they're steaming. Weird. Exothermic reaction, I think, is what they call it. Anyway, so tomorrow, Monday, is going to be fun. It's going to be a interesting week. There's potentially my girlfriend's going to get a ketamine infusion, guided ketamine infusion by our friend Dr. Cosmo. I did that I guess 3 months ago when we came to Munich to get our original tests done. And so I actually did the ketamine infusion, and that's a talk that we're going to have another time. So I did that a few months ago, and it was an incredible experience. And so hopefully my girlfriend's going to be up for that this week. And then we're going to drive back to London on Friday. Probably stay over in France again, and then overnight, and then we'll drive back on Saturday to London. I just thought I'd update you guys because this time last week, a week ago, I told you guys that on Monday I was going to have a vibe check call to get into my new mentorship program, and I was talking to you about why I love the mountains, because they give me perspective. And it's an analogy for if you want to climb higher in life, the easiest way to do that is get yourself in a room where you're surrounded by taller mountains so that you can see exactly where you can go. More importantly, get given the systems, the processes, the guidance you needed to actually climb those mountains to get there. So I had this call late on last Monday night when we were still in Bad Gastein. Check this out. Absolutely insane, isn't it? Just crazy. So, yeah, it's just like wild. So yeah, I had this call late. It was 11 p.m. on the Monday night, and I definitely had a couple of beers and a couple of glasses of wine at dinner and after. But I had a really good call, and yeah, got accepted into this new program, or into this program where it's only for 100. There's only 100 people in it. It's a kind of like one in, one out type of policy. And yeah, it's got some of the biggest names in the online education and business space. You would know many of the names that are in this group. And I was very happy to get into it because first it feels like the place that I need to be right now. And I'm really excited to surround myself with some really big hitters. So I feel like the smallest fish in a big pond, but I'm already getting stuck into everything that they've got going on. Looking forward to meeting everyone in that experience. But yeah, last week was an incredibly tough week emotionally for me, and emotionally and physically for my girlfriend. I've always been pretty emotionally solid generally when it comes to stuff. But that was very tough, seeing someone you love go through a huge amount of stress and pain. So yeah, really glad to have got through that week, and hopefully this week's going to be a lot more kinder to her and us, and going to kick it off having a fun time on Monday, so tomorrow, at Oktoberfest. I've never done Oktoberfest. I've never worn lederhosen. And so we were like, my girlfriend was like, look, she's like, don't worry, I've got the treatment tomorrow. She's done it. Tomorrow is not too much of a stressful day. It's just a couple of hours of sitting there with some IVs in her arm. And then I'll go and join Scott and Kristen for some fun. But yeah, I think I wanted to update you on what's happened this past week and how, yeah, I'm very excited to take things to the next step, or take things to the next level by being in a room that, yeah, like I said, I feel like the smallest fish in a big ass pond with some big whales in there. So really exciting for me, and I'm excited to just learn shitloads more, and ultimately with the intent to just help my clients win faster than ever. So that's what it's about, because I've already won. The fact that I can go on a Monday and get shit-faced on a Monday afternoon and still turn up this week for work and for my clients as I always do, and have the flexibility to do that. I know I don't have any bosses. I actually had a fucked up dream last night that I went back and got a corporate job, and I had my first day, and it was my first day at this corporate job, and it got to like 6:30 in the evening, and we were just queuing to wait to leave, and everyone was just like at their desks, not doing any work, not doing their jobs, and we were just waiting and waiting for the clock to go, and then everyone gets let out of the door, and then all of a sudden we all just like kind of congregate outside, and then we all sit down and talk to our boss wants us to stay outside and talk to us. And then I'm just like, fuck this, I make way more money than this job right now. Why do I need this job? So I just quit. But I think that's because I ate a bunch of cheese last night. So it's just a cheese dream. But I woke up very grateful this morning that isn't my life. And that this is my life. And instead of waiting for the clock to let me out of my office at 6:30 on a Monday, by 6:30 tomorrow, I'll have probably had about 8 beers. And yeah, as you guys as I think I've alluded to, that I'm about to enter a big creative sprint block for the next couple of months, like the next 8 weeks or so, 8 to 10 weeks. And so I'm just getting the rest and recovery that I need. And for me, a lot of rest and recovery is doing the naughty things that I enjoy doing and getting that out of my system so that I can focus. So it would be boring if I was just one of those little, Miro board nerds in their tight t-shirts, the gold chains, the Rolex. I ain't. So yeah, gonna have some fun. It's gonna have a beautiful last day today. We're gonna go up, take the cable car up. So it's up there. Cable car goes up there. It looks small here, but it's pretty high up, and it's started to move now. And then we're gonna try and have lunch at the top there. It's gonna be a big. Hopefully, my girlfriend's feeling up for it today. It's gonna be a big ask if she can. I really hope so, because I went up there last night or yesterday afternoon. It was so gorgeous. She's never, we met through skiing. We've never been in the Alps, in the mountains in summer, and so to see the ski slopes in summer was really cool for me. I hadn't done that since I was about 14, so it's been about 25 years since I've experienced that. And I've done a lot of skiing since then, so it was so cool to go up there. It looked like a cool ski area. Saalbach, I think, is the area here in Austria. And then gonna chill out in the wellness area today. It's a beautiful hot tub and pool and stuff. We're staying in a very TikTok type of hotel, I guess. And have some really nice food this afternoon. Gonna go and have breakfast now, and then I guess I'll see you in the next one. If you want to know about if you've seen this for the first time and you don't know the stuff I'm talking about, I guess go watch this video over here, which will give you a bit of an update into my business. It was me driving around in my car. I'll link it up here if it's out already, or if it's not, who knows, we'll find out. Okay, go have a banging day, have a banging week. I'm gonna have a banging week, and that was sick. I will see you in the next one.